Demand gen versus lead gen. Difference explained plus AI combine. AnyBiz. Demand generation and lead generation are crucial, but distinct marketing strategies. While demand gen focuses on creating interest and awareness through educational content, lead gen aims to convert this interest into actionable leads. HubSpot exemplifies the effective use of both strategies by offering free resources like blogs and courses. By educating a wide audience, they position themselves as authoritative leaders in inbound marketing, enhancing both demand and lead generation. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized marketing by enabling more personalized, efficient approaches. AI excels in processing large data sets, learning from interactions, and automating repetitive tasks, allowing marketers to focus on creativity and strategy. Today's competitive market necessitates a dual approach that encompasses both demand gen and lead general. This ensures not only the attraction of a broad audience, but also the efficient conversion of that audience into genuine leads and customers. AnyBiz.io leverages AI to enhance marketing efforts, integrating demand gen and lead gen to boost efficiency, personalization, and scalability. This integration allows businesses to grow sustainably by automating and optimizing marketing processes. A balanced integration of demand gen and lead gen creates a self-reinforcing cycle that drives long-term growth. Demand gen builds brand presence and attracts an audience, and lead gen converts this awareness into qualified leads. However, lead gen alone is insufficient without substantial demand general. Without demand, leads do not convert effectively into sales. Both strategies must work in concert to maintain a steady flow of prospects at all stages of the sales funnel. In summary, both demand generation and lead generation are essential for sustainable business growth. AI's role in automating and optimizing these processes is becoming increasingly crucial, ensuring efficiency and effectiveness in reaching and converting the target audience. To conclude, companies like HubSpot demonstrate the successful application of integrated marketing strategies, while AI tools like those offered by AnyBiz.io further enhance these strategies, proving indispensable in today's digital marketing landscape. If you enjoyed your time here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons before you go. Stay tuned for more updates.